So here is interesting app called Levels Social Fitness Network. It's getting a lot of traction recently. This is kind of like a fitness app, but it's also gamified workout app. It's also social media. Um, so start your gamified fitness journey with Levels, the ultimate free fitness app and weightlifting app for amateurs and professionals. More than a weightlifting log, Levels transforms your workouts into fun, competitive experience with friends. Um, you will quickly understand why Levels is a must-have weightlifting app. Experience the best free fitness app. Save farewell to expensive fitness apps. Gamify your workouts and elevate your results with Levels. Level up as you work out with this free social fitness network. Levels offers a gamified fitness experience for your workouts, transforming each lift in an opportunity to advancement, track progress, connect, motivate, real-time motivation. So a lot of features, and the coolest part about it is just like a free app, because a lot of fitness apps are actually quite expensive, but this is a free app. So you can just go in here and create your account just with email and password. I need to say that this app is a great idea, but it still seems like a work in progress. There are still probably some few bugs here and there, some design fixes needed and all of that. But here you have it. This is just like your profile, your account. I just created my profile. And then you have friends tab where you can just go and add different friends. You can just look for people by their username. You can see, for example, on the profile, how many friends they have, how many workouts they logged in, how many total volume they logged in, like how many kilograms they weight lifted. So yeah, I will just show you later that in this app you can just add how many kilograms you're lifting, and then you can just show how much time in the gym you have. And then here you can just block and report, but there's that. Then you can also add friend, for example, like that. Then you can see these kind of achievements here. This is what it looks like. I don't know like how to get these badges. Probably you just need to work out. And yeah, this is just the part of gamification, when you just get bored a bit with your workout, but you're like, hey, I just need to do this like 5 more exercises and I will get this badge, or I will get higher in the rankings. So yeah, kind of cool concept. But then let's just see. So here is the workout tab, third tab from the left. And then here you just have a date. You can just tap start workout. You don't have any pre-made workouts yet, but then you can just tap start freestyle workout. You can just tap on it. So this is where this app is actually quite advanced, because it has so many different types of exercises, especially for weightlifting. So you can just tap plus, and then what I say here. So this is a huge database of exercises. I haven't seen this kind of huge list of exercises in any other fitness app. And then you have muscle group. You can select, filter them by primary muscle. You can classification. So muscle group. So let's, for example, we want to do some chest, or so yeah, here you can just see, okay, chest fly machine. You can see like primary muscle, secondary muscles, and then you just select this, and then either during the workout or after workout you just add in sets here. And then, for example, I just can add some sets, and then I can just add some weight, for example, and then I just add this set. Some of the things you a bit more advanced, like probably just need to ask the coach or more professional trainer how exactly to add all these unilateral things and all of that. But yeah, for a start, you can just add like reps, and then you can remove that as well. You can just copy it out easily. So then you can just edit it, and then, for example, you just end workout. And then you can see XP breakdown. So I don't know, like it's like, this similar as you playing some video game and you just getting some XP where yeah, you just get in some points. So how much volume you got, and then if you got some trophies for that, and yeah, so then you can just continue, and then you can see all your previous workouts. Just an example, then you can see these workouts, and then that's like another exercise bank which you can add to exercise. So this part is quite advanced in this app, which is quite cool, and it has some nice graphics here. So yeah, here, and then there is some feedback page. If you wanna help to this app to grow, and you know, either you're a professional athlete or just a hobby athlete, you can just give some suggestions, which is quite cool. And then you can just get some credits. Yeah, if you wanna, you can just refer friends and then receive VIP credits. You will receive a month of Silver VIP access for every friend who downloads the app and redeems your code. Yours will be limited to 6 free VIP credits. So feel free to use my code, or just redeem the code, input your friend's referral to unlock a month of Silver VIP access for you and person who referred you. So if you're watching this video, feel free just to enter this code 6FDMRLUMX1MG. Just tap here to redeem code, and then just enter it here to get some, you know, Silver VIP access for you. So that's where you can just get it. So yeah, but other than that, there are a lot of athletes here. You can just add them here. You can just block or report them. Then there's your account. You can just go to your account, I guess. You can see your level. You can see how much kilograms you added. You can just add more kilograms here. You can see the all profits. There are some bugs, so as you can see, this app is in the development, but here you just have all the trophies, and here you have that. So yeah, pretty cool. And then you also have your streak in the top left. Log in every day and complete your planned workout or as a day to lengthen your streak. Why keep my streak? Here are a few reasons. Keep yourself accountable, show off your dedication to your friends, gain an XP multiplier for having an active streak. And then you just have this. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you can just edit profile from here. Notification settings, you can enable those. You can log out, but I don't know if you want to delete your account. I don't know how to do it. But yeah, that's the app. I don't know when it will be available on Android. Seems it should be on Android quite soon, but it's not yet on Android. So yeah, give it a try.